Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I'm going to be your lead for this West Texas adventure, and I can't wait to show you a little bit of what we're going to do this summer. When we're driving to West Texas, we're going to take a pit stop at Monahans Sandhills State Park. We're going to eat lunch, and then we're going to disc sled on the sand dunes. While we're staying in West Texas, we're going to be tent camping at Davis Mountain State Park. These are the tents that y'all will be using. In these pods, we'll also be cooking our meals. We'll be seeing natural wildlife in the area, and there is a bird blind that we'll be able to look at as well. Although it looks like a normal product store, it is just a permanent art installation, and there's a lot of cool history behind it that we'll get to learn whenever we're there. One of the places that we're going to be visiting multiple times will be at McDonald Observatory. This is the 10-meter Hobby Eberly telescope. It is one of the biggest telescopes in the whole world. Another spot that we're going to visit is the ruins of Terlingua Ghost Town. This is an old mining community. We'll get to see some rich history here from the 1800s to early 1900s. Along with the different state parks that we're visiting, we're going to visit Big Bend National Park. This is me completing the halfway mark for the Window Trail. It's about a 4-mile hike all the way through. It was a lot of work. The view is beautiful. While we're in Big Bend, we're going to visit the Rio Grande, and outside of the trail is a trading post. People in the community come and bring their handmade crafts for sale. Another cool spot that we're going to see is the Chihuahuan Desert Nature Center. Here there are hiking trails, there is a botanical garden area, and then in this cactus greenhouse, there are over 200 species of cacti. What is a Girl Scout trip without visiting our sister Girl Scout camp? At Camp Miter Peak, this is where their cabins are. They're built into the canyons, and it is so beautiful. Now, I know West Texas in the summer, it's gonna be hot, but don't worry, we have every day planned to go to Balmorhea State Park, which is a natural spring-fed pool that goes 30 feet deep, has wildlife in the pool area, and it is nice and cool. And of course, we're starting and ending our adventure at Camp Whispering Cedars, home of the STEM Center of Excellence. Come join us on this 10-day, once-in-a-lifetime adventure for only $600. Financial assistance is available if needed. Register at gsnetx.org/CWC.